friends, I got a really good one for you today. I've been thinking about how I could best serve my community, especially because a lot of people who come see me are women, and it is in the tricky age of 40s to 60s where our hormones are doing things. We're waking up to crap we don't want to put up with anymore, and we've got weight challenges. I hear it all the time. I mean, I'm almost 50. I'm not in menopause yet, but for sure I'm in premenopause, right? Perimenopause. And weight and the thickening of the waistline definitely is a challenge. And so I'm not going to get all technical on you today. I know like a lot of people do that. Well, do this, exercise more and blah, blah, and drink more water and slow down and only eat 2 meals a day or do intermittent fasting. I ain't interested. I've been at this game of teaching this way for 20 plus years this year. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm all about like simplifying ad nauseum. And what I have found is the key principle to long-term weight loss and staying lean. You ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. It's focusing more on our health and not on the weight. I'm going to say it again. We focus more on our health and less on the weight. You see, because whatever we think about the most, we get more of. So if we're obsessing about our weight, obsessing about our waistline, obsessing about how horribly we look, cortisol is spiking. Yes, true. And cortisol makes our waistlines expand. Not to mention, the truth is, we get more of what we think about in life. I fully believe it, I've lived it, and it's the truth. So could you see if me wanting you to focus on how can I get healthier in my 50s? What could I do to better my health? Well, absolutely, 100% without a shadow of a doubt, affect your weight loss efforts. Absolutely. Because a healthy body naturally wants to lean out. A healthy body wants to get back to its natural state. Now, did I say high school weight, skinny Jen? I used to weigh 122 pounds? No. Many of us have had children. Our bodies have gone through a lot. I mean, I've got 3 kids myself. So no, we're not looking to get back to how we used to be before the body took a boatload of hits aging. We're looking to get back to our new normal. Our new normal. And that, my friends, is the ticket to long-term weight loss. I know, because at almost 50 with 3 kids, I don't put on massive amounts of weight. I still have nice abs. Maybe they're not 6-pack every day. Who cares anymore? But they look nice. And my hips, are healthy. And I don't have any joint pain. God bless. And so remember, that which you focus on, you get more of. You want to be leaner? Focus on your health, less on your weight. Okay, amazing. If you made it this far, God bless as always. If you love my work and how I teach, please subscribe. Join me and my community of followers. And I always say, be in touch soon.